Monkeys have short tails. Monkeys eat plants and fruit. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys are good jumpers.